Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on developer mode on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings application to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Now scroll down and look for the About Phone option. Tap on it. This section holds all the information about your device, and we're going to need to find the option that lets you access developer mode. Step 3. Next, look for an option called Build Number. It might be a bit hidden in some devices, so you may need to tap on software information first. When you find the build number, tap on it 7 times. Yes, 7 times. Don't worry if you see a pop-up asking for your PIN or password. This is just a security measure. Once you've tapped 7 times, you'll see a message saying, "You are now a developer." Step 4. After that, go back to the main settings screen. Now, locate the search bar and type Developer Options. Step 5. For the last and most important step, select the Developer Options option to open it instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching!